In this video, we will discuss how to pause or cancel your iFIT membership. Both pausing and or canceling an iFIT membership can be completed from within your account on iFIT.com. To pause your membership, navigate to iFIT.com and log into your account. You can pause your membership once every 30 days for up to 3 months. You will not be billed while your membership is paused. However, you will lose access to the iFIT library. You can resume your membership at any time. After you have logged in, select Membership on the left side panel, then select Pause Membership. Here you will have the option to pause your membership for 30, 60, or 90 days. After making your selection, click on Pause Now to pause your membership. You'll be prompted to provide some additional feedback as to why you wish to pause your membership. Once the feedback is submitted, the membership status for your account will update to reflect the date when your membership will resume. To resume your membership at any time, simply navigate back to the membership page and select the option to resume your membership. If you wish to cancel your membership, you can do this from the membership section of your account settings. To cancel your membership, select Membership, then select Cancel Membership, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click Cancel My Membership. You may be prompted to provide feedback regarding your experience with the membership. You can restart your membership at any time by navigating to ifit.com/renewal and signing back into your account to select a subscription plan and purchase your membership.